Bay leaves. The leaves of this healing and super healthy herb have been used in the alternative medicine for centuries. People use them to make all kinds of natural remedies for many different ailments. This herb was considered to be a sacred herb by the ancient Greeks and Romans. Did you know that the winner of the Olympiad had a laurel wreath on his head, which symbolized honor and glory? Many people around the world use bay leaves every day, but mostly as a spice. They add it in their favorite dishes. This actually points out how much laurel was important in the past, and there must be a good reason for this. Well, we usually use this herb as a spice, but the healing properties of many natural ingredients such as laurel and its berries have been well known for a long time. First, you should know that the most effective active compounds in this herb are pinene and cineal. We can also mention that it contains essential oils, which have a soothing effect. This amazing herb had psychoactive substances, which are released when you chew bay leaves. These amazing effects have been described in many different myths and legends, such as the one about the oracle at Delphi, where they chew bay leaves in order to see the future. The essential oils in bay leaves have a soothing effect on your body and mind when you burn them. Here's how to use bay leaves to reduce stress and anxiety. Just light a single bay leaf in an ashtray and leave it to burn for 10 minutes. The room will be full of fragrances that will act relaxing and soothing to all family members. The bay leaves have powerful anti-rheumatic, antiseptic, diuretic, sedative and antioxidant properties. It can improve your mood, and the leaves and berries of the plant can also treat hysteria, neurasthenia and stomach flu. Don't forget to watch the video below and share this article with your friends and family. Thank you.